Welcome to this video. If you're new here, my name is Christina. For this video, I chose my go-to unisex clean fragrances that will make you smell chic, clean, and extremely elegant. And I have to say, these clean fragrances also smell sexy to a certain point. So if you're not about your citrusy, boring fragrances and you're looking for something fresh, clean, but on the sexier side, then these fragrances are for you. And if you enjoy my content, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to let me know that I should film more videos like this one in the future. So the first one that I bought recently, this is the newest addition to my fragrance collection, and I have to say, I am this type of a person. I'd rather have 5 to 10 fragrances in my collection than keep buying monthly. You know, this is a strong addiction, buying fragrances. And when it comes to perfumes, I really think about my new additions, like 1 month or even longer. And this fragrance, I tried it last year in October. And I bought it just now because, you know, it's an eau de toilette. So the longevity is not there, but let's be honest, now these fragrances aren't long lasting anyway, even though they are eau de parfums. And this fragrance, I just couldn't forget it. I kept thinking about, should I buy it? It's an eau de toilette, it's not long lasting. But then I was like, is there a similar fragrance on the market? No, there isn't. This is the most unique and the sexiest clean fragrance ever created. It is so simple but so unique. Trust me, once you smell it, you'll see why I love it. So this is Musc by Caron Parfums, and as you can see, it has this iridescent, milky, almost musky looking bottle. To me, it really looks like musk, but sparkly, fresh, but also sexy and intriguing. So I think the marketing did an amazing job with this design, because this is your musky, peppery, clean, bright, and almost a little bit happy but sexy fragrance. So basically, this is your Kashmiran fragrance with the note of synthetic sandalwood called javanol, macénone, and a lot of ambroxan. So it has this vivid, sparkly, bright scent profile that will last on you maybe like 2 hours. But you know what? This, I think I will never, and I have never recommended an eau de toilette on my channel or an eau de parfum that would last for like 2 hours or less. But with the Musc, I have to say, this is that type of a fragrance that I have to recommend. You will smell clean, sexy, and the trail. I have to say, people love to smell clean, citrusy fragrances. While this isn't citrusy, it's definitely that clean fragrance that will make people compliment you and ask you, what are you wearing? I have to have it. This next fragrance is definitely unisex, but I love to wear it myself, and I could see this fragrance especially on ladies. This is, ladies, your next it chic girl fragrance. So this is Gold Minus by Commodity, and this is not too clean, but it has a very minimalistic, clean, simple scent profile. This is actually your semi-delicious ambery, woody, musky fragrance with a lot of sandalwood, vanilla, and ISO-E Super. And the ISO-E Super just makes this fragrance smell lean, simple, sexy. I wear this fragrance all the time. 1-2 sprays. It doesn't project a lot, but it stays on your skin. Now, Commodity has 3 scent spaces: bold, the regular, I think, and then minus. So the minus is for you. It's not to make people smell you and compliment you. So I wear this fragrance after the shower, when I'm at home, after the gym, when I take my kids to the school, you know, not to offend people. It works in every situation. You always smell clean, put together, but you know, it has the inviting, warm sandalwood vanilla scent profile, so it also smells cute and chic. Again, a huge recommendation. If you don't want anything too musky, citrusy, razor sharp, clean, like a kitchen cleaner, go for Commodity Gold Minus. This is a fantastic fragrance house, and this fragrance, the gold regular, expressive, or the bold, and minus is the goals. So that was Commodity. Now this fragrance smells to me a little bit nostalgic. It's not for everybody, I have to say. I wouldn't say this is blind buy worthy, but if you love unique, clean fragrances, you have to try Clouds by Marcoccia. I discovered this fragrance last summer. I wear it a little bit because it's really long lasting. It projects for the first 2 hours, then it settles into a skin scent, but you don't need more than that. And this actually should smell like you took a swim in the ocean, you come home and you take a shower, and you take this typical clean, musky, citrusy shower gel and it foams on your skin. So this should smell like the beach, the sand, and then the the shower gel. And after the shower, you know, the refreshed, clean body. And this really smells like it. It's floral, it's aromatic, it's very, very vividly clean. And it has the sea notes, metallic notes, magnolia, jasmine, a lot of the musk and orris root. So it mixes the powdery, the foamy, the creamy. You can really smell the consistency in this fragrance changing. And my husband, I have to say, I'm not sure he likes this fragrance on me. He says he doesn't know what to think about this fragrance. But I think this is one of those fragrances, ladies, where, or even gentlemen, where we wear these fragrances for ourselves to feel confident, clean, and to really enjoy the scent profile. I love this fragrance. It's definitely not for everybody, but if you want to experience something new, go for Clouds by Marcoccia. This fragrance is now almost empty, and it's for a reason. It is fantastic. Again, another unique signature, clean but delicious fragrance. So this is Ambre Blanc by Maison Rebatchi, and this is your Hadio Carrot Musk and Ambroxan Woody fragrance. It smells really ambery, but in a clean way. Another fragrance that has some delicious gourmand notes, but they are executed in a very sophisticated, chic, and clean way. I feel when I wear this fragrance, I feel like I am a true lady, and I smell inviting, definitely confident, clean, and to me it smells like new beginnings, but in a delicious way. It just has a lot of that vanilla, the amber, that smells almost cuddly, creamy. Then it has a lot of those clean notes, like musky. It's also a little bit floral, but to me, what this one smells like is like a clean, ambery, vanilla, delicious fragrance that smells very, very like upper class, chic, luxurious, and quite mature. So this is Ambre Blanc, and I have to say the longevity, it's like under 3 hours. So you will have to reapply, but I would say with this fragrance, it's so worth it. And the last fragrance is a 2023 release. So this is Per Se by 2787. And this fragrance should smell differently every time you smell it. And I agree. It is your aromatic, powdery, floral, clean scent. I would say it has, sometimes I get the cleaner type of freshness. So it doesn't have anything aldehydic or like soapy clean, thank God. But there is the razor sharp, citrusy, metallic cleanness. It also has some bamboo, some tender florals, but nothing too expressive. It's just a very vivid, musky, umbrette bamboo fragrance. And I have to say, actually, when I smell it in a bottle, it's one thing. But then when I wear it and I smell my trail, you know, on the clothes, whenever I turn throughout the day, I smell something different. It smells more tender and like umbrette and mellow. And the consistency of the fragrance also changes. It goes from bright, citrusy, metallic, woody to a little bit more powdery, semi-creamy, but still in a very clean way. So if you hate aldehydes, if you don't like citrusy fragrances, too musky, and you're looking for a unique, clean fragrance that really, I'm telling you, this really smells clean, try Per Se. I think you won't be disappointed. It's long lasting. I haven't used up a lot because you don't need a lot, but this is that unique, it girl chic, clean fragrance. So that was 2787. So these were some of my recommendations when it comes to clean, sexy, grown-up, very elegant smelling fragrances. Let me know if you have some of these fragrances. Also, let me know in the comments down below some of the suggestions for new videos. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.